Hi, my name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Thai Gourmet. How do seahorses get around? They scallop, of course. Today, I'm going to make some delicious bacon wrapped scallops with a peach glaze. They're gonna be great. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to cooking.
Alright gang, you're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then you're going to line a sheet pan with foil. Then we're going to lay out one piece of bacon for every scallop that we're going to make. Into the oven it goes.
Gonna set that time, 4 or 5 minutes, put some bacon in the oven.
Alright guys, you're gonna check to see if the bacon is done yet. We're looking for the right amount of doneness. This needs some more time. If it's not done, the bacon won't be done at the end, and if it's overdone, then you can't wrap the scallops. We know this is done because the bacon is just done on the edges. Time to make the glaze. To a medium saucepan, we're going to add 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Then the base of our glaze is 1/2 cup of peach preserves.
Da-na-na-na-na, brown sugar, why do you taste so good?
Then we add 1/2 teaspoon of ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Turn the burner to medium-high heat.
Stir it up, little darling, stir it up.
You're going to bring the glaze up to a simmer. You're going to take about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add it to a separate bowl, add some water, mix it up, and make a slurry. We're going to add the slurry to the glaze, and that's going to cause it to thicken up. Time to wrap the scallops. We're going to take 1 piece of bacon for every scallop, and what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around and secure it with a toothpick. We want to do these over a wire rack so they don't burn, and then so the glaze doesn't get too messy. The glaze is ready. It's nice and thick.
And just let the brush just sort of bounce around and play and just let it have fun.
Bacon wrapped scallops into the oven, getting hot, hot, hot.
Gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna take them out of the oven.
Hit them with some more glaze. You're gonna hit them with some more glaze.
Then we're going to set the oven to broil on high. Back into the oven they go. You want to keep checking on them to make sure that they don't burn. I am so excited because they are done. It's plating time. Tie a bow on them because they're done. Delicious bacon wrapped scallops with a delicious peach glaze. They're so good you'll slap your grandma.
Your crew will scallop to the table for these bacon wrapped scallops. My name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bow Tie Gourmet. Please subscribe to my channel to see future videos. Click, share, and like videos. And if you want to see some more great appetizers, please click on the appetizers playlist at the end of this video. Thanks.